Today we're gonna do a deck system. All right, so we're gonna start with the hardware for these side pieces here. Just making sure that they're level all the way across on each side. Put this piece in, doesn't have to be in this order, but on, then we can put the left and right side panels on using the bolts in the bolt bag. We are going to be putting this in there one at a time. Now we're going to put hardware in the center vert, and then we'll follow it with the outside D-ring hardware. So smaller washers with the bolts that go with the D-rings, and then your sleeves will also go in there. Always start them by hand, and then you can go back with a ratchet and snug those down. And then big washers will go in the center wherever these are not. It is drawer time now. We are going to be doing all the hardware inside of each drawer, and the handle. One side comes with it, one side comes without it, so we'll be installing that as well. All right, now we're going to install one of the drawers. Get it set up in there. We got the wheels on. So for the wheel install, just need a piece of wood or anything really of like 1 inch, 1.25 inches. Kind of prop it up and give you a little bit of clearance to get that wheel in. And so we're pretty much going to do that on all the front wheels. It does help to have a wrench to hold the inside here to make sure that that bolt is all the way snug tight. So put on the wheels, use stash bin lids, repeat on the other drawer, perform 2 karate high kicks.
Impressive.
So we're going to be putting on all the plates and exterior metal pieces, and then we will put on the hooks last that bolt the deck system to the bed. And we're doing the long hooks to the tailgate rear end. Just kind of loosely getting them up there, and then we'll just make sure this thing is center as far as left and right. And we will do that on all 4 sides, and that will be it. We'll be done.